So I hit a tree, pine tree. This thing is looking really, really bad. Still haven't broke the 3D printed part. Frame's still holding up. The tape's kind of coming off. Got a new scuff kind of right here. It's fine. When I hit the pine tree, it looks like I was like intentionally trying to hit the tree, but the winds were just so crazy. We were off Lake Michigan right there. Yeah, I think it's Lake Michigan. The winds were just super powerful. I didn't have much control coming in. Wanted to go in between some trees, and I smacked the tree that I was trying to avoid. But my gimbal got stuck. There was a little branch that got kind of stuck right here, and the gimbal was stuck like down like this. I thought maybe I broke my gimbal, but it looks like it's fine.